So we open FilmoraGo. Then we click on create new video. Select the files you want to insert. In this case, I will be adding 11 sample clips. So we are selecting 11 video clips. We'll try to check each and every clip. So this is the first one, second one, third one. So we need to trim. Okay, so that one is okay. That's clip number 1. Reduce the music to 0%. That's the second one. Clip. Third one. Then we trim that to our desired output. So right here, we are on clip number 4. Again, trim. Clip number 5. Check on that. Select and then trim. And we reduce the sound. Clip number 6. Again, the same. We trim to our desired output. Then clip number 7. Then later I will decide to take that out because it's not so good. So here, clip number 8, same, selected it. It's our number 10 already. Trim, and then our last one, clip number 11. So we save it, try to look at it, try to check if our video is okay. We'll just have to make it 10. So clip number 7 is out. There's the delete button. Click on OK. It's gone. So I think that's okay. We'll try to add some transition. So there are free transition in FilmoraGo. Right there, we're trying to put those transitions. You can experiment in those transitions. Then we render and save, and we'll try to preview our output. So save that to our local disk, and then let's try to check our work.